So the video that I wanted to share with you today is a demo on something that you're able to do inside of ClickFunnels. It might not be something that you knew about or that you've even explored. There's a way to really capture leads method, which is the text messages, text opt-in. If you're like me, sometimes I can't sleep at night. The first thing I'll do is I'll turn on the television. As soon as I turn on the television, what's there? Boom.
Frank Thomas?
Yeah, the big hurt.
Wowza.
Hun.
Frank Thomas?
Oh, hi there.
Wow, you look like you could still be playing. I know, right?
Well, I'm feeling a lot stronger and leaner with a lot more energy and drive.
So what's your secret?
Nugenix Total T.
I wish my husband used it.
He can. It's easy. Just send a text.
If you're a guy over 40, text to now for your complimentary bottle of Nugenix Total T.
The latest and greatest infomercial. I'm a sucker for those infomercials. I am a sucker for those. I've pulled out my credit card several times in the middle of the night and done the drunk shopping. If you noticed, a lot of those commercials now will tell you to text a phrase to a particular number. How much do you think they paid for that commercial? They probably paid a lot for that commercial. And why do they pay that money for that commercial? Why does it consistently play over and over again? Because it works. In today's video, I'm going to show you have the ability to compete on the same level as those companies that spend tons of money to run those commercials. In my video today, I'm going to demo it inside of the ClickFunnels software. I'm going to create a product. I'm going to create a message, and I'm going to send it to a text message to just show you how you can use that in whatever product you might have. I'm going to show it to you at a digital product delivery. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to be demoing the text opt-in option for the software. I'm making an assumption that you have your landing page set up. This landing page can be set up in the ClickFunnels software. One thing I'd like to say about the design, I really love putting these progress bars right here on the landing pages. It adds a sense of anticipation and saying that you're almost there. You've almost completed the steps. And this is where they will enter their name and best email. Once this is captured, you will send them their product. If it's digital, typically sent by email. If it's a physical product, you'll have to get more information to get that sent. When we come out here, I'm also assuming you have all of the other steps in the funnel set up, which are sales page with an order bump, order form, and an OTO page. If none of this sounds familiar to you, shoot me a message and I'll let you know how you can get some training to understand what all of these things mean. What I recommend doing is actually copying this address here for the squeeze page. We'll need that when we're setting up the text opt-in. Go to the publishing tab. I'd like to note that there are other options on this page, but our focus is going to be on the text opt-ins, collecting leads through text message. And we'll hit to add a text opt-in. That brings up a screen, the number that has to be dialed in order to initiate the text message. And you can put in a unique code that your customers will text to that number. One thing of note is that it has to be unique among all users of the phone number. If you use a code and it doesn't work, it may mean that someone else is already using that code. I'll use the code get mental, the response message. This is the message that will reply back to your customers after they send the code above. For my message, I'm going to actually include a link to the funnel, the landing page step. They can click that link. It will take them directly to that landing page to fill out the information. Then they will receive their download. They will also be taken to the next pages of the funnel for an opportunity to upgrade their order. Then you'll click Create Text Opt-in. That is the process. What does this look like in a social media post? Also, what does this look like when someone texts that number on their phone? This is an example of a possible Facebook post. This post is on my Mental Marketer Facebook business page. As you can see, it has text the code to this number. Once the person texts that code to the number, they will receive a message, and it is the message that I input along with the link. Once the link is clicked, that will take them to the funnel step that we created previously. Yes, this is very neat. I love this. I hope you've enjoyed this demo video. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, everyone.